Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare homemade tan removal scrub soaps which will exfoliate and provide natural glow to your skin. Let's get started. Take glycerin soap base or any other soap base and cut them into pieces. Here I am using 400 grams soap base. Using double boiler method, melting all the cubes into liquid. Make sure there are no lumps present in the liquid. Now keep the flame off and add all the ingredients fast before it solidifies. Here I am adding all the liquid ingredients first, starting with 1 tablespoon coconut oil, adding 1 tablespoon badam oil. If you want, you can replace it with olive oil, both works best. Adding honey 2 tablespoons. Mix all the liquid ingredients well. Adding half tablespoon turmeric powder. Make sure there are no lumps. Now adding 1 tablespoon rice flour. Rice flour helps to lighten the dark spots and pigmentation. Treats sun tanning and prevents sun damage. After adding each ingredient, mix well to prevent lumps. Adding besan powder 1 tablespoon. Besan is one of the best ingredients which will remove tan and exfoliate your skin. Mix well. To enhance the fragrance, adding few drops of tea tree essential oil. Take a silicone soap base mold and transfer the liquid carefully. I am preparing 2 soaps at once. Repeating the same procedure for next 2 soaps. Let it sit until it solidifies, or you can keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour. Use it whenever you want to exfoliate or to remove tan from the skin. Use once or twice a week. Happy glowing skin! I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.